Hey everyone, if you're getting the update failed error on Discord, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it quickly. Let's dive in. Step 1. End Discord in Task Manager first. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Look for Discord in the list, click on it, and then hit End Task to completely close it. Step 2. Clear update files. Next, press Win plus R, type %local appdata% and hit Enter. Scroll down to find the Discord folder and open it. Inside, locate the file called update.x. Right-click on it and select Rename. Add the word repair at the end, so it becomes update_repair.x. Hit Enter, then try opening Discord again. This often fixes the update error. If it's still not working, go to Settings Apps, find Discord in the list and click Uninstall. Once it's uninstalled, download the latest version from Discord's official website, reinstall it, and restart your computer. And that's it, your Discord update issue should now be fixed. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching.